Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to breed and tame wolves inside of Minecraft. So wolves you'll find in a lot of different forests around the game, usually like oak or pine forests and stuff like that. And when you run into them, they might growl at you, but as long as you don't attack them, they shouldn't try to hurt you in any way. And to tame them, all you have to do is feed them bones until they get hearts around them, and then they'll develop a dog collar. And then once you have them tamed, it might take a few bones, you can then give them any type of raw meat in the game. And then they will do the horizontal mambo once you feed at least 2 of them. And then boom, out pops a new puppy. Now the difference between these and other animals is the newly born puppy will actually be pre-tamed. Same thing happens when you breed cats. So they will be ready to go once they reach full size, and you can accelerate their growth by giving them some meat. However, regularly spawned and generated puppies in the wild, wolf pups will not be tamed, so you'd have to go ahead and tame them manually as well. So that's it. That's how you tame and breed wolves inside of Minecraft. There's no real limit to how many wolves you can have. So if you want to make an unstoppable army of dangerous wolves to do your bidding and fight things for you, you certainly can. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.